Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, hi, I'm Jarisa and I love making videos about DIYs and decorating my house. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you my journey to transforming our guest bathroom, and the best part of all is that putting everything together, the decor and everything that I spent in the bathroom, it was only $200. This is because I couldn't go like to the thrift store to buy decor pieces or any place like that where you can find things at a lower price. But if you're able to just use the things that you have, I'm sure that you can do it for even less than this. I'm also going to try to list all the things that I can find online in the description box, and I'm going to list where everything is from. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to the ones of you that have become part of the family. We are already at 37,000 subscribers and I'm really happy for that. I'm sending you cyber hugs. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get into the video. So this is what we're gonna be working with. We had replaced the stone a couple of months ago when I redid the kitchen, but I just felt like it wasn't cohesive with the other rooms that I had done, like my kitchen and the living room. So this is why I decided to give it a little bit of love and make it match a little bit better. This is also the first bathroom that people see when they come into the house, so this is what I decided to do. I like to start off by taking everything that I can out so it doesn't get paint on it, and then I just start taping everything and preparing for the painting. You might be wondering why I'm using such a small brush to paint these walls, but this is the only thing that I had at the moment. I had ordered some brushes from Amazon, but they took forever to get here. I just used whatever I had, and the paint that I'm using is by Sherman Williams. It's not very opaque, I would say. Like, this thing doesn't show at all, but after I 5 coats, it showed up, and thank God it looked white because I was very frustrated that it wasn't showing, but I made it work, and that's what matters. I wasn't sure about taking this thing off because I felt like I was gonna break it, but I finally got it off, and now I can paint that part and also paint this one in black. I decided to use a sponge to clean up because in that way I didn't have to smell all those fumes. As this room doesn't have any windows, I just felt like it was healthier that way. And then I decided that I was going to paint the mirror because I wanted to give the room a little bit of a different touch without having to spend that much money. So I just started cleaning everything and taping it down to then paint it. Another way on how I was able to save money was by reusing all the hardware, like all the hinges and all the pull-ups for the doors and everything like that. I just took everything off and then spray painted it with a flat matte spray paint, and this made a huge difference and also saved me some money. I also took the measurement of the curtain pole, so I didn't have to paint it all the way, and I just painted wherever was going to fit in the shower curtain. Time for the spray paint. Christopher. Let's go. Oh my, there's an ant. Go away. Now we're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna flip it and paint the other side. I decided to change up the cabinet a little bit by giving it a fresh coat of white paint. Before, it had like a bony beige color, and I just felt like white was gonna make the room even lighter, and as we don't have any windows, this is the main concern that I had here. I wanted it to be brighter. At the beginning, I wanted to paint the lamp in a gold color, and I used this one that I had found on Amazon, and I just left it there to see how I was gonna feel about it. I'm not 100% sure. I feel like it looks a little bit more copper than gold, but I'm gonna leave it on for now. The paint that I'm using for the mirror, I got from Amazon. It was only $9, and the only thing with this is you need to let it dry in between coats, so it took me like maybe 2 days to finish the whole thing, and I feel like it looks really beautiful afterwards. As I didn't like the gold color in the lamp, I just decided to paint it a matte black, and I feel like it looks better like this. It goes more with the style, but you let me know what you think in the comment section. I painted the mirror and now you can see the inside of the frame here, so I'm just putting tape temporarily because I ordered something from Amazon to cover it, and there's no way you can put paint in it, and you can't take the mirror off the wall because it's like stuck there, so this is the only thing I can do to fix it. I took this wallpaper that I have from my kitchen makeover and I just cut like a little trim like this, and I'm gonna glue it on here just like I did down here to cover that, just for now. Painting the mirror is the only thing that I would say that is a little risky if you're renting a place, because I didn't expect the mirror to reflect the inside of the frame. I had never seen that before, even though the wallpaper is still standing and is working just fine. But if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comment section, and keep this in mind in case that you decide to do something similar in your house. I also decided to reuse the same cups for the lamp. I just gave them a good wash and I cleaned them up, and they look even nicer once they were clean. Then I wanted to give another different touch to the cabinet handles, and at the beginning I was gonna take all of them off and like take all the knobs and paint them individually, but I realized that it had a lot of screws, and this is what messed up my bag when I was redoing my kitchen. So I just decided to paint them on, and I just took an empty cardboard box, and then wherever I needed to touch it up, I just took a little bit of spray paint and did it by hand, and this worked for me. And the best part is that I didn't hurt my bag by doing this. I also decided to make an accent wall in the bathroom because I wanted to put a little bit more interest above the toilet. I just felt like it was a little bit of a dead corner. So I decided to use this wallpaper that I had from my bedroom makeover. I'm gonna link it up here so you can watch it. And I feel like it looks really cute, and it pulls together the whole boho vibe of this bathroom without overwhelming the room. After that was done, it was time to start installing all the things that I painted, like the knobs and then the towel holder. And I also decided to add a shelf because I wanted to make sure that Chris was gonna have more storage, because he's the one that mainly uses this bathroom. And in case that somebody comes into the house, they can also put their things in there. Then once I'm done with everything else, I just like giving the bathroom or whatever room I'm finishing a clean to have a fresh start and being able to decorate without having to worry about dust or anything like that. And after everything else was done, it was time for the fun part. So I just started collecting all the things that I had bought in the last months, and I started to decorate it. I feel like everything came together very nicely, and I really love the final result. So this is everything that I had to show you guys. I really love how this room turned out, and I love that I was able to redo it without really spending that much money. I really encourage you to look for everything that you have in your house and plan your makeover ahead, and just try to see what you can come up with without having to go anywhere. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section which ones you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.